Do you eat a ton of eggs like we do, and you want a simple solution to keep them well organized and easily accessible in your fridge? I'm Gina with WTI, and we've been using these egg holders from MSHOMELY. This is the set with 2 trays and it fits 40 eggs. It's really cool that it has a date tracker on the front so that you can put the date that you bought them or put them in your fridge, and it helps you to keep track of how old they are, especially if you have a large amount of eggs all in your fridge at the same time. You could even use one tray for hard-boiled eggs and the other tray for raw eggs. Like, the world is your egg holder. I did find for me to be able to move the trays in and out smoothly that I needed to place a hand on the holder itself. That way it didn't scoot around because it is lightweight, but it protects your eggs really well. I have a few different MSHOMELY products and I love all of them, including this egg holder. Even though it's a simple product, it's kind of a must-have. If you love eggs, you need this, and that's my point of view.